Everyone, welcome to this problem where we are going to solve the inequality and represent the solution on a number line. So the very first thing that I look here is that I observe that there is a plus 5 here. So what Mr. Tan will be doing will be, since I have a positive 5 here, I am going to minus 5 so that this will become 0. 0 will save the day. But if I do that on one side, I must do the same on the other side. And so I'm left with 7x negative 16 minus 5. This will give me a value of negative 21. And then the next step would then be for us to divide by 7 on both sides. Why do Mr. Tan do that? Because 7 divided by 7 equals to 1. And because we are going to divide by a positive number, I did not do anything to the inequality sign. This will become negative 3. Solved. Now is to represent this on a number line. So I'm going to draw the number line at this side. Okay. And we must have the negative 3. And do ensure that the intervals of each unit, in this case negative 3, I will have negative 2 here, negative 1, 0, negative 4 is about the same distance from each other. Okay, something like this. And negative 3, since there's no equal sign, I'm going to represent it with a 0, smaller than. So at this point, I pull out my ruler again. And this will be the inequality, the solution that is represented on a number line. And we are done with this question. Let's move on to the next question in other videos.